You will love the features of this 2020 Nissan Armada. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an overachiever with a commanding presence, the Nissan Armada. This full-size three-row SUV is a polite powerhouse, offering an upscale interior, smooth, quiet ride, and brawny towing capacity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, 4x4, backup camera, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate, fog lamps. Don't compromise on comfort to get the capability you want. Get into this remarkable Armada. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.